Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the warmer and fuel. Make sure the felt pad is in place and you have Zippo or lighter fluid handy. Place the unit on a stable, non-flammable surface. Once done, open the fuel chamber and add measured drops. Aim for 9 to 10 drops or small 0. 5 milliliter increments to saturate the cotton without overfilling. This ensures a steady burn and avoids leaks. Make sure your hands are steady and there's good ventilation before moving to ignition. Next, you ignite the catalytic insert. This is the only correct method for a Zippo hand warmer. Once the cotton is saturated, replace the felt pad and secure the chamber lid. Avoid squeezing fuel out. Hold the catalytic burner exposed and strike a lighter gently to its surface, producing heat rather than an open flame aimed at fuel. Maintain contact for a few seconds until you feel steady heat. Then wait 30 to 45 seconds for the catalytic reaction to stabilize before finish by snapping the outer case in place and allowing the unit to breathe for 2 to 3 minutes. You should feel a steady warm emission. If there's no noticeable heat after 2 minutes, reopen the case and carefully reapply gentle heat to the catalytic surface. Don't relight fuel directly. If you detect fuel leakage or strong smell, stop immediately, clean excess with an absorbent cloth, ventilate the area, and start over with less fluid. This prevents flare-ups and ensures safe operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.